Hi, I am Anand from Sitamarhi, Bihar, and my project title is Rainwater Harvesting and Water Purification. First, we focus on our water purification system, in which in our water purification system we have two metal pen, and which is painted black because the black is the best absorber of heat and metal is the best conductor of heat. In which there is two pans are used, in which the dirty water should be put in the inner pan, and this apparatus is put under the sun, and this is our plastic cone which is made up of polycarbonate, and this polycarbonate cone is put under the outer surface of the inner pan. When the sunlight falls on the water surface and on the pan, the water are absorbed from the pan, and this water starts evaporating, and when this water starts evaporate, it are caught by the inner surface of the cone, and when this cold medium from the outer surface is poured on this pan, the evaporated water are converted into the water droplets, and these water droplets trickles down into the inner surface of the outer pan, and when these water are collected in the circular dao, then this water is supplied by a pipe to the container directly. As all of us know that arsenic, silicon, etc. are such type of contaminants which can not be filtered by any filter medium, but our solar water purifier can easily uh, purify these contaminants from the water. Not only it's a such objective, it is eco-friendly, it is very cheap, very easy and low concept to use. In as all of know that the water that are used in medical purpose are made from boiling the water, but if this water is boiled, it use a energy medium, but if we introduce our such type of solar water purifier in this medical purpose, it can easily utilized by the solar heat and can purify a large amount of water. Our apparatus is made up of 30 is dimensions of 30 cm base diameter. If it is made from 60 cm base diameter, it can produce 1 liter of purified water per day, and it will also proves a great sufficient to the people that are living in the coastal areas. Because in the coastal areas there are a lot of water, but all the waters are formed in the saline form. If this water can are taken, then it harm our health. So if we introduce our solar water purifier on these coastal areas, it can easily filter a large amount of purify a large amount of contaminated water and convert it into the pure water. And our second topic is the rainwater harvesting system in rural areas. As we belong to a Sitamarhi district of Bihar state, in this area the average rainfall is 114 mm average rainfall, annual average rainfall, and it suffers from the drought condition. So why? What is the reason behind it that in except of such type of high amount of rainfall, but we suffer from the drought? If we conducted our surveys in such type of villages like Amghatta, Visa, and many other ticks, the conclusion occurs that the main cause of the water scarcity for irrigation purpose is that the mismanagement of water resources. If we manage water resources in large scale, then we have to not less drop of water to irrigate our field. So to introduce this, we introduce this on the thatched roof of Kacha house, and we ties the on banana peels at the corner of the roof of the thatched roof, and this water, when the rain falls on the surface of the catchment surface, then this water is collected into this, and this water is supplied to the downward flow by the help of the banana peels, and this water then goes to the canal that are constructed in the front of the building, and due to this medium canals, these water are easily going to the reservoir, and we store this water reservoir for at least 4 months after the monsoon. After in collecting this water, it also recharges the underground water, and fishery can